Ayan, grabe ang ganda ni Julie. Ayan, first of all, congratulations, Miss Jules, Asia's Limitless Star, Asleep, dito sa Slay.
Maraming
Grabe. Lagi ko siya nakikita pero grabe talaga yung pagka-amaze ko talaga sa kanya. Let's play a game.
Okay.
Okay, mamimili ka na ng best of the best sa shows mo. Pinulot ka lang sa lupa or My Guitar Princess?
My Guitar Princess.
My Guitar Princess or Buena Familia?
My Guitar Princess.
My Guitar Princess or Heartful Cafe? Galing na rin.
My Guitar
gumagano
Princess.
siya.
My Guitar Princess.
My Guitar Princess or Steel?
Oh my God!
Parehas musical.
Still.
Steel or Maria Clara at Ibarra?
Maria Clara, diba?
Grabe, iba rin yung impact. Maria Clara at Ibarra or Slay?
Pwede bang hindi ko sagutin to? Kasi ang hirap.
Both na lang.
Both na lang.
Kasi parehas
talaga.
special.
Oo.
Pero, syempre, Slay.
Kailangan parehas tayong slay sa slay at slay sa Maria Clara.
Grabe, totoo yan. Totoo yan. So, Maria Clara at Ibarra, syempre kay Julie, okay lang yun. Valid yun. And nandito tayo sa Slay, di ba? So, invite everyone!
Yes, mga kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sana po ay patuloy niyo pong suportahan ng aming bagong proyekto. It's called Slay. It's currently out now on View and it's coming out on March 24 on GMA Prime. Sana po abangan niyo po dahil pinaghirapan namin itong proyekto na ito.
Marami nag-aabang kung kailan ka magdadam challenge na solo.
Oh, pwede. Gusto mo mamaya?
Yes, ganun. No? Grabe. What can you say about them?
Grabe. I mean, I'm just very proud of them and their success. Kasi, grabe. Pagka sinama mong SB19, like, they're really, conquering the world through their music. So I'm just very happy for them. I'm proud to be, proud to be Pinoy. Tsaka nakaka-proud kasi talagang umuusbong ang OPM because of them.
Slay talaga. And new music soon?
Yes, new music soon. Sana ay abangan nila. Hopefully this year i-release.
Grabe. And of course, yung tidal wave mo, grabe sa impact talaga. Nagre-repost ako.
I miss that. I miss that song. I miss
Ano
singing.
mo-perform mo sa iOS?
Sige.
Please!
Last time I performed it was during Sunday Pinasaya. And hopefully I get to perform it on AOS and hopefully somewhere pagka may mga events. Yeah.
Can I sing with you? It's like a tidal wave and I just keep watching over. It's hard to find it but I still wanna hold up.
Tidal wave. Ay!
Grabe, and right you're waiting and right you're waiting. Tama. And I'll be there lahat. Talagang I'm amazed by your talent and hopefully, di ba? Grabe. Your dreams will come.
Thank you.
And solo concert, please. As a fan talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jules.
Maraming
Slay po.
Yes, Slay.